Welcome, here I've got REALME 8 and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Here we have to slide a little bit down like that to get access to more options about the camera we can manage. At the second place we have the frame, so this is our aspect ratio, and by using these buttons we can manage it. We are in 4 and 3, let's pick 1 and 1. As you can see now, the background has changed to the square one, so this is how it looks like. Another slide down, and let's move to the full aspect ratio. And now we can see the full camera frame. When we slide down once again, we can move also to 16 and 9 aspect ratio. And this is how it looks like here. And of course, when we slide once again, we can pick here whatever we need. Now let me go back to 4 and 3, the original one. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.